Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You've got the Mini plugged in. Now open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account. Once done, tap Plus, choose Set Up Device, and follow on-screen prompts to find the Mini. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on and that you're within a few feet of the speaker so pairing completes. You'll hear a confirmation chime. Assign the device to a room and give it a recognizable name so voice control will target the right speaker. Once the Mini appears in your Home app, link your music services and smart home accounts so you can say commands like play or turn on. Next, set up voice match so the Mini recognizes you and personalizes results. This improves calendar and commute info. Make sure language and default speaker choices are correct and create routines for common sequences. You can also enable night mode or do not disturb to limit interruptions. These settings refine behavior and privacy. Now test a set of core commands. Ask a question, set a timer, play music, and control a light. If something fails, restart the Mini by unplugging for 10 seconds then plugging back in. Also reboot your router to clear network hiccups. If problems persist, check the Home app for firmware updates and rerun setup or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember, network credentials and linked accounts are the most common causes. Verify those first before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.